Hello everyone, now we have to do the technical and on-page SEO. For on-page SEO, we can easily set up by following the rank math configuration steps. So let's do it. First I go to plugins and click on add new or add plugin, and here we have 7 plugin to update. I already show you how to update website without getting any issues, and now I will search the plugin. So just search rank math, press enter. Okay, here we got the rank math SEO and it's compatible with our WordPress version. So I click on install now and click on activate. Okay, as the first step I have to connect this rank math account with my Gmail account or Google account. Here I will click on connect your account, and here we have option to login. So I just click on this Google option. In this case I have an account, but if you don't have an account, rank math account, you can just click on register now and create a free account with Google, Facebook or WordPress.com, or you can use your email address that you use to get emails from this website. In my case I already have a account, so I will log into it. Just click on Google to sign up with Gmail. Okay, now I follow the step. Just click on continue and here click on OK, active now. Okay, the plugin is set up and now we have to complete this setup wizard. So in here I will select easy because SEO is a different deep subject. So when we select this easy option as the web designers like us, it will be help us to use the knowledge that we are already have, and the rest of things will configure by the plugin. Then I click on setup wizard. Okay, here I have to add the details. In this case my website is a small business site, so the business type is, so in here I have to select the business type. In this case it should be health, so I will search health. Actually here we have hospital. Let's search health. No, we have hospital. Yeah, we have hospital. So select the business type and here is the website name, and then we have to add our logo. So here the min size is 112 by 112 and this image should be squared. So my current image is not squared, so let's make squared image. To do that I just go to our Figma and click on our project, and if we check the sticker sheet we can see our logo here. So let's create a new frame and let's create it like this. Then let's make width as 512 by 512. Now it's squared, and now I will add the logo. So in assets or libraries I will here have the logo. Just select the logo, just select insert instance and put it like here. Let's make it bigger. So here I will just detach instance to edit this logo because I want to increase this size. So this is text logo, which means I have to increase the typography size. So if you use image as your logo you can just increase it. So in this case I will make it like, then let's make this family part bigger. Make it like 100 is too much. Okay, just created the logo and now let's rename it as logo for Google like this, and now select it and click on export. I will make this logo as JPG and click on export button to export it. Then I go to tinypng.com and let's make this logo file size minimized like this. Then click on this JPG button to download it, and now let's go here and remove this one and click on add to upload file, and here let's just add this logo and let's add alt text like this. Then click on use this file, and now we have logo like this. And now we need default social sharing image. So this image will appear when someone share our website URL on social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter or Twitter X or any other Facebook platform, the image size should be 1200 and 630. So let's create another frame. Let's add it like this and let's put it here. Let's rename it as social share, social share, and it will be 1200 and height will be 630 like this. And we have to add some image. So in this case I will just add this hero section. So just select the hero section, copy it, and here is our frame. Here is it. Just paste it like this, and now I will decrease its size like this. And then let's also add this text. Just copy this text and this text and paste it, select it and paste it like here. Then let's make it like this. Okay, we have to remove this one. Let's make this as 98. Then again I will copy this logo from here and put it like this. Then the text color should change to white color. Okay, maybe let's decrease this size to like 50, here like 36. Okay, now actually we can just copy the header part, this part, just copy it and come back here, remove this one, then paste it like this. Then I will remove these two parts, and here let's make this size like this and let's put it like this. Okay, this is much better. So now I select this frame and go to export, set it as JPG, export in, and on tiny PNG we can reduce the file size. Okay, download it. So if you have different type of image, you can also add it, but in this case we already have the Figma file. That's why we can just create our design using the Figma file. And again let's add ALT tags like this, click on use this file. Okay, now click on save and continue. Okay, now we have to connect with our Google account. So in future lessons we will create Google Analytics and Google Search Console profile and configure it with our website to get better visibility on Google search ranking. So we have to select the Gmail account that we are going to use for the Google service that we are going to use. So I will click on connect Google services, and from here I will just select Gmail account that I am going to use for the website. Click on continue and click select all, then click on continue. Okay, currently we don't have any of those information, and in future or in next few lessons we will create them. For now click on save and continue, then click on return to dashboard. Okay, we just configured the rank math SEO with our website, and so in here we are at rank math SEO and title and meta. From here we can see how our website will be looked at on the Google, and here we have tabs. So with those tags we can add more details. So as an example, if you want to add your email address, you can just add email address, and if you want to add your address or your business address, you can add it here. Then you can add open hours, phone numbers, and in here you can select the about page, just search about. Then on contact page, search contact. So this is the page that we already created, and here I am not going to add open hours. If you like, you can add it. And business type we already selected, and for the address I am not going to add the address. And also you can create Google My Business profile, and in that way you will be able to add all of those information on your Google My Business account, and also you will be able to set up this website to or add this website to your Google My Business profile. So then let's go to social meta. In here you can add your Facebook page, and if you have other profiles like X, LinkedIn or any other, just add them on additional profile. So after you make all of those changes, you can click on save changes, and here we have more stuff. But if you don't know much about SEO, just keep them as default. And in this homepage section, we have to edit our home page to make our website homepage appear on the Google when someone search like JB Family Clinic. So to do that, click on edit page, and the page name you will see here, just click on it, and when you go here you will see this type of place. So this is the blog editor, and here you will see this rank math icon. Just click on it. When you click on it, you will see the Google preview. So click on edit snip, and here you can add title. So let's add the title. I will add like JB Family Clinic. Let's make it like this. Then on the description, we have to add the description. So when you create those details, as an example, if someone search JB Family Clinic on Google, I want to see this website. That's why I include this text on the title. Also I have to include this text on description too. So in this case, this text is the focus keyword. So to description, I will add this type of text, and now when someone search on Google, the website will show like this. And to get it on the Google first page, it will take few days, and if you have highly competitive keyword, you may need to do more SEO stuff. So in this focus keyword, you can add focus keywords, like in this case I just add JB Family Clinic, and here we can see all the information that we need to make. So now all good. So now I click on save to save this preview. Okay, now I again go back to WordPress dashboard, and on all pages we can add those details to all pages. So just go to about, click on edit, and I will open it on new window. Then here click on this rank math and add the focus keyword. Like let's add it like about JB Family Clinic, and on edit snip we can just add about JB Family Clinic, and just copy it and add like this. Then here we can add description too. So always try to add those preview text manually, and in that way you will be have a great result. However, if you have a lot of pages, you can just set up the preview that it should be appeared on each pages. So to do that, go to rank math and title and meta. In here on pages, you can set the way that it should appear. So in this case, I don't need this site name, so I will just remove it. I need page title and separator. Then if I click here, I can see more stuff that we can add. So in this case we don't have. So in this case I will just add title like this, and on description you can add excerpt and click on save changes. So this format will apply for all pages on the website, and on post we can do the same. Okay, in the next lesson we will going to set up the sitemap and set up Google Search Console and Google Analytics.